Hi friends, today's topic is ages. Before going to topic, I will tell I covered all the topics of percentage and profit and loss and SCF and LCM. Please see the videos in the description section because I covered all the problems which are the question is important in any of the exams. Okay, coming to the topic of ages, I will tell. So if uh, if I am born on that time, my father age is 30 or else okay 30 on that time I was born. What is the ages? Now my age is 20. What is the ages of present age of my father? 30 plus 20 is 50, and my age is 20 only, isn't it? Then question will not at all ask directly. What is the ages of 5 years back? Like that they would ask. 50 minus 5 means 45, as well as what is the age of my 20 minus 5 is 15. My age is 15 and my father age is 45 before 5 years. Like the question will be asked on that time. Sometimes we can easily analyze how the way of question is asking. We can easily answer. Sometimes I maintain one table. From this table, we can easily calculate any of the problems in any of the exam. Let see friends how I will calculate. Okay, fine. By visually, definitely will not understand what I am written here. Just I will tell. See, this is the one table. One is A age persons. This A and B are the persons. Understand? This is the present. What is the present of my age is X, and B age is Y. Past. I will make it a circle. I will indicate it as like this. Past means like this. I will arrow maintain in problems. See, what is the age of M year back? On that time, that means x minus m and y minus m, it would be converted gas in future, that is n years. After n years the my ages will be 25 years, like that I would say. That is future, that converted as x plus n. Future means plus only, past means minus y plus n. See, whatever the problems is coming, let maybe you understand what I am going to tell. Whatever the difference between a and b is always be the x minus y. See, x minus y, what is difference between y minus m and y minus e? X minus y only. And difference between x and y is x minus y only. And difference between future also x minus 1. The difference should be same for any of the exam. Who are preparing the question, this table only, they giving the example, taking the example, they will ask the question. Okay, I will let you know what are the questions coming. Okay, one thing I need to highlight here is, okay, and one more table is there while solving problems. This is the one table, friends, and this is the one more table, the horizontal vertical difference. We can easily calculate it from this if you know this logic. And this is the a year past in the if you if I taken future, that is only the same. Just I'm taking the two one, past year and present year. Past tense, present year is C and D, past year is A and D. The difference should be A minus B is equal to C minus D, as well as A minus C is equal to B minus D. If you are knowing this logic, definitely we will solve any of the problems. And if advanced problems we can, because I am concluding, I am covering all the topics of simple and advanced problem here. Please watch until end. Okay, I will take the first problem without wasting the time because okay, first problem. The ratios of father age and son age is 4 is to 1. Okay, father age and son age, already I told. Present, I will make it a circle. 4 is to 1, that means 4x I will taken as 5x, x 4x, and son age is x. The product of the age is 96. Okay, they given the question product of the age. What is product of the age? 4x into x is equal to into 196. Therefore 4x into x is 4x square. Understand? 196. How it is going to 4 on the 4 for the 16, 3 carry, 4 9 the 36. Therefore 49 square root is 7. X is equal to 7. Understand? What is the question? The ratios of their ages after 5 years will be. After 5 years will be. That means already told the question, maybe make it a circle. This is the one future indicates 4x plus 5 and x plus 5. If you are making the table like that, definitely the answer will be not at all mistake in any of the time. Make it as a table, definitely will solve any of the problem. Any difficult problem you can easily solve. You will not have confusion for any of the problem. Okay, what is the 7? Well, what is the ratio? 7 for the 28, 28 plus 5 33, and 7 plus 5 is 12. Understand? Okay, again is going to 3 3 for the 3 11. What is the option? 11 is to 4 is the answer. See, if I'm making the table for any of the question in the ages, definitely you will solve easy way, in a easy way. Okay, I'll move on to the next question. Mr. Sonanal is the 4 times as old as son. Okay, fine. Father said, okay, this is the percentage they would ask the question 4x or 4 years later than son, and make it as son ages x. The 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 43. Okay, they would mention sum of their ages 4 years later. Then I will make it as future, conclude 4x plus 4. 4x plus 4, x plus 4. Understand? Then sum of their ages, we would add both of the things. 4x, okay, I will maintain, don't confuse. 4x plus 4 plus x plus 4 is equal to 43. The question is the sum of the ages is 40, therefore 5x plus 8 is equal to 43. Therefore 5x is equal to 43 minus x is 35, x is equal to 7. Understand? 5 7 the 35. What is the question? The percentage of the sun. What the percentage of the sun is? What is percentage of sun is 7 years. If the question is asking for the father, 7 plus 4 is 28. Understand? Answer is 7. If the question is asking for the father, then it will be the answer is 28. Why? Because 7 into 4 is 28. Okay. Next, move on to the next question is that 3. The ratios of email age and Arun age is 3:5. Okay, fine. Vimal and Arunage, Vimal and Arunage. The ratios is present is given 3x and 5x. Okay, the sum of the range is 80. Okay, what is the sum of this one? 3x and 5x? 8x. 8x is equal to 80. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Direct question, because we can easily answer without take a pen or paper. The ratios of the after 10 year will be okay. Present they are already given. Then 10 future. Then 3x plus 10. 5x plus 10. Therefore, 10, 30 plus 40, this is the 50 plus 60. That means multiplication into 3 into 10, 50 plus 10, 60. Therefore, 2 the 22 the 23, the 2 is to 3 is the answer. Answer is the uh, first one. Okay, but we will understand the question. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section for this problem. Okay, next topic. Next question, sorry. The ratios of Ashok age and Pradeep age is equal to 4:3. Okay, fine. Ashok and Pradeep. Okay, they would ask for present one. I would 4x and 3x. The Ashok will be 26 years old after 6 years. Okay, direct. This is a direct question. Ashok is after 6 years. After means future. That's what 6. I will make it as arrow like this. 4x plus 3. If you are maintaining like this table, definitely you will not at all mistake for any of the problem. They given 26. Ashok age is 4x plus 6 is equal to the given here is equal to 26. Therefore, um, again 26 minus 6 is 20. X is equal to 5. 20 minus by 4 is 5. Okay, x is equal to 5 means what is the how old the Pradeep now? What is the age of Pradeep now? 3x into 5, that is 15. Okay, what about the if the question is asking for the Ashok age, 4 into 5 20. Okay, Ashok age is 20 and Pradeep age is 15. The question is asking about the Pradeep age, therefore present now 15 years. Okay, next question. The Sachin is twice as old as Ajay 10 years back. Okay, this sounds interesting. Problem is Sachin and Ajay. Okay, 10 years back means make it as column and back once. Understand? Therefore, twice. Sachin is twice as. Therefore, I maintain as Sachin has 2x and Ajay has x. And therefore, if any questions coming like that, converted as present here, what would be the percentage? 2x plus 10 and x plus 10. This is the main criteria for all the problems. Though if you are mistaken here, if you forgotten the if you are forgetting to put here presented, if you are putting it directly into the future, that will be problem will be mistake. Definitely in any problem, if you given us the past tense, make it as present and calculate the future and take the ratios of those problems. Like that only. How old Ajay today? Sachin will be 40. How old? Okay, the question is we need to find out Ajay is today Sachin will be 40 years old. 10 years later, that means 10 years later we need to add 10 years to the present one. Therefore 2 years plus 20, therefore x plus 20. uh, 10 years after, what is the age of, if they given the question is 2x plus 20, Sachin age given is equal to 40, then given this is given Sachin age will be 40, 10 years. I am 40 years old 10 years later. Fine. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Why? Because 40 minus 20 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Isn't it? Therefore, the age of Ajay is 10 1. Okay, 10. Sorry, present age they were asking, right? What is the today? Like the present age asking. Sorry, this is the one I mistaken here. That's why making a stable. You will not mistake anything. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20. Then what is the age of Sachin? 20 plus 30, 30 years. Sachin age is 30 and the present age of Ajay is, the question is asking about Ajay, we need to find out the answer is 20 for this question. Understand? 10 plus 10 is 20 is the answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, Deepak is 4 times as old as his son, and 4 years since the sum of the ages will 43. Okay, the same question, but the name is changed. Here, the second question might be the same question. Okay, I will show. I make it as Deepak father as well as Sachin. The present here is 4x x. Understand? And the sum of the ages is 4 years since. They were asked the 4 years since future. The same question, same repeated question asking. Second question might be 4x plus 4, x plus 4. Understand? If we are adding all those things, what would the 8x, what will be the things? 5x plus 8. 5x plus 8, if you are adding all this, the sum of this will be 48. Therefore, 8 is equal to 43. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Why? Because 7, 43 minus 80 is the 35. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Therefore, present of Deepak is, okay. How old the Deepak son is? 7. Father's age is 28. Okay. Same repeated question as C. Okay, next question. A is 20 years older than B. Okay, fine. I would maintain here as A, B. Therefore, A is 20 years older means he is the older one, then B is the younger one. That means X I will maintain as, I don't know the age, that's why I mentioned here as X. He is also 6 times as old as B. Okay, fine. This is a direct question, 6 times older B. Sometimes, some of the people always used to do like the X plus 20 by X is equal to 6 per 1. If you are because the answer should be the same always, someone prefer like this, someone prefer like this method, numerator numerator method, someone prefer the cross multiplication method, because the answer should be the same if you are solving any of the method also, the logic is the same one, right? Okay, what will be the 6x is equal to x plus 20, isn't it? X is equal to x plus 20. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Why? Because 5x 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, what is the B age is 4 and A age is 4 plus 20 is 24. 24 and 4 is the answer for this question. The A and B age is. It might be sometime what would be as, what is the future after 5 is what would be the age. Just add it for those if the question is asking like that. Okay, fine. Next, move on to the next question. A is 3 years younger than B. Okay, fine. Question is A is younger. Younger means okay, younger. I don't know the age, that's why I maintain this X. and E is older, B is older, that's why x plus 3 is older, and C is 2 years older than A. Fine. With respect to C, x plus 2. Okay, fine. What is the relation? Then B's relation to C. Fine. What is the B relation to C? Already told B equal to C. If the difference between B equal to A minus B is equal to B minus C, like the x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Difference they were asking. Therefore, x is cancelled. Therefore, 1 is the answer. With respect to B is asking. Therefore, from visual only we can easily tell B is older, 1 year older. And C is younger compared to B 1 year. Understand? Answer is with respect to B is asking 1 year older, not at all younger. With respect to B is a older one. B is a older one to the C, not at all a younger one. Understand? The question is answer is B is the 1 year older. Okay. Next question. A is twice as old as A age and B age. Okay. A is twice as old as B. Was 2 years ago. Okay, fine. 2 years ago. Make it as this error 2 years ago. A is twice as presented. A is twice as 2 years. Okay. This one B and this is the 2x. Find out. A is twice old as B 2 years because B age is x and A is 2x here. If the difference in their ages is be 2 years. Okay, fine. What would be the thing? See friend, this is the minor highlight thing. If the x means if future that will be coming as x plus 2. Understand? And if we go back means 2x minus 2. Then for equate the formula we will get easily answer. 2x is equal to the difference between is 2 is asking. Take the difference between those things. 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 2. I directly minus I am taking. Okay, x is equal to 4. Understand? The question is asking about find A age. What is the age of find A age? Present age is 28 years. Understand? This is a very easy question, but because we need to format the table is very important. How to format the table is a very important, or else how to apply the logic is the very important for these kind of problems. Okay, answer is 8. Okay, just make it down. What are the question is A is twice as old. Okay, A is twice 2x is older 2 year ago. B was x only. Then if you're going to the 2 years back, 2x minus 2 is coming as A, and 2 years in future x plus 2. The difference between A and B is what is difference? At present I am taking what are the or else 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 2. Difference is given 2 years. We can easily calculate the x1 that present age is this one. If they are asking the question about A, even 6 years. If question is asking about B1, then 4 plus 2 is 6 years. Understand? The question is very easy. Don't consider the formatting table is a very important thing. Okay, move on to the next question. A, oh, sorry, that is the same question only. Okay, the 20 years ago. Okay, I don't know was person 20 years ago. 20 years ago, where x 1 by 3. I would maintain as x by 3. Understand? Therefore, the present age would be x only. What is the age of the present? Okay, we can format a table either by two types. If you're going back one, what should be the age? X minus 20 is equal to x by 3. Or else, come back to this one, or else also, if x by 3 is in future, what would be that? X is equal to x by 3 plus 20. The formatting of the question is a very important. Both are, see, if you are observing carefully, the equations are the same. If you are going from here to, if you move on to the minus 22 here, the equation should be same. Understand? Because applying the logic is the very important for any of the problem. Okay, what is the answer now? I will solve only one equation, that is nothing but the same only. Okay, 3x is equal to x 3x minus 6 difference. I will directly write it is equal to x. Just for 2x is equal to 60, x is equal to 30. Understand? Answer is the 31. See, the thing is, we need to make the format is the way of making the format of the table is a very important thing. Analyzing the way of the table is very important thing. How you are going to solve the problem? These kind of problem is coming. Understand? Okay. Next question. Okay, this is the time and distance. There is a train and platform problem. I will cover in. Okay, I will cover. Not a problem. Fine. This is not a ages problem topic. The 20-meter of the train crosses a platform of 3 times of its length. Okay, fine. The length of the train is 280. Fine. The given the ratios of this length of the train 1 is to 3. Understand? If 1 unit is 280, then 3 units should be A3 the 24 2. That means 840. Understand? For L plus length of the platform plus length of the train, what should be the 1120? That means 80 plus 20 is 100, 8 plus 4 is 12, 112, and that means 1120. Thing is the meter. We already know the formula S is equal to distance by time. What is the question? Time already given. We need to calculate the speed. What is the speed of the train? We need to calculate. What is the distance? 1120. Okay, what is the time? Meter per second is given. This is the highlight thing. Given the question is millisecond, so we converting the minute into second. 1660, 360 plus 40, therefore 400. So solving 40 by 112 is 2.8 meter per second. That means how we calculate 4 3 that 12. That means carry like that we calculate 4 8 32. Answer 2.8 is the answer. Okay, next one. The present age of Reena and Usha is okay. They give the question as present age. Observe carefully. What is the question? Reena and Usha. Present age is 24 and 36 respectively. Uh, what was the ratio between the ages of Usha and Reena respectively 8 years ago? 8 years ago, what was the thing? Minus we need to 24 minus 8, 16, and 36 minus 8 is 28, isn't it? What is the ratios of these things? 4 is to 7 for the 28. The question is asking about the ratio between Ushas and Reena. Therefore, 7 is to 4. See, the thing is, we can easily solve the any of the problem, but the option should be we need to see what are the question is asking. Sometimes we will be simply mistaken. The simple mistaken headache for any of the exam. That's why please carefully while solving the problem, please carefully see the problem what is asking. Here, first ratio is asking about Usha, not at all Reena. We are getting the answer for Reena is to Usha. Here question is Usha is to Reena, therefore 7 is to 14. That would be please observe is a very important thing for any of the problem to solve. Okay, come on to move on to the next topic, next questions. Okay, the average of okay, this is the average. We already know aware about. I will cover in future for averages. Average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. This is the formula for the average. The average of age children of a family is 12 years. Okay, fine. Average, they given the question as 12 average. Therefore, family average we need to find out. Family age averages we need to find out. I will get the family average. I will. Okay. Therefore, total numbers is 8. Therefore, family average is 12 and 96 is the one thing. Okay. The ages of what is the question? The ages of 7 children are 12, 8, 11, 9, 13, and 15 years, and then the ages of 8 children will be okay. They given the year in this problem 7 children's ages are given. We need to calculate the 8 children's age. For these kind of it is very easy in our topic. Okay, calculate all the 7 people's age. 12 plus 8 20 plus 34 34 plus 11 45 45 plus 9 54 54 plus 13 67 65 and plus 15, that is what is the thing, 82. Okay, therefore we already know average is equal to, we need to calculate 7 persons age is 82 is coming. I will note, otherwise you have forgotten. Therefore age we don't know, I will make it as x, and what is the age, average also given 12. That is 12 is equal to 82 plus x by 8. Understand what is the thing? 12 8 and 96 is equal to 82 plus x. X is equal, therefore what is the thing, 14 is the answer for this question. 96 minus 82 is the 14. Of the way of the question, because here it is the average question, just I am solving the question is asking here. Okay, fine. Next problem, the ratio between percentage of A and B is 4 is to 5. Okay, A and B percentage is 4 is to 5. Fine. If the ratios of the age 4 years hence is coming as future one, ago is coming as past tense. Note down. Okay, 4 year. I will make it as 4 years. 14, 17. 4 years. Okay, fine. Ratios is given. What is the age? 4 years. 4x. Make it as x. Don't forget to put like that. 4x plus 4. 5x plus 4. Therefore, then what ratio given? 14 is to 17. Understand? Many of the students like this, otherwise you can solve like this of 4x plus 4, 5x plus 4 is equal to 14 by 17. Like that, so you can easily solve this question, because if your table just cross multiplication, 74 is 68, 68x plus 68 is equal to 15 5 the 70 x plus 16 for 14 for the 56. Therefore 48 68 minus 17 is, therefore 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6. Understand what is the question is asking? B percentage they are asking, B percentage asking 6 5 is 30. Therefore if the question is asking for the age, 6 for the 24. Understand? What are the question is asking? Just consider in the question what is asking and what are the note down what are the key points in the question. Some of the key points, if you are noting that, definitely you can easily solve from the many of the ages problems. We'll find next one, 16th one. The ratio between present age of Indra and Lizzie 3 is to 8. Okay, fine. Indra and Lizzie, present one, 3 is to 8. Then 8 years. Okay. Expected after 8 years, Indra age will be 20 years. Fine. Direct question. This is also after 20 years. That means future. Next one. 3x plus 20. Let us x1. 8x plus 20. Sorry, 8, right? Sorry. This is the 8 question asking. This is the 8. They given the question directly. The Indra age will be 20 years. Fine. The age will be 20 years. The what is the, okay, fine. 5 years ago they were asking. Fine. 5 years ago means 3x minus 5, 8x minus 5. I would written here only 5 years ago from the present. Okay. Directly they given the Indra's age here. 3x plus 8 is equal to 20 means 20 minus 8 is 12. 12 by 3 is 4. X is equal to 4. They were asking a 5 years ago means we need to calculate what is a Lizzie. Then 8 for the 32. minus 5 is 27. That means 8 into 4 minus 5. 32 minus 5 is 27. If the question is asking for Lizzie for 5 years back, what is the thing? 3 for the 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Isn't it? Like that, we need to answer the question of any of the question. The question is asking on Lizzie, that's why I find out. If question is asking about the present, past is of 5 years ago. 3 into 4 minus 5. 3 for the 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Also, in the rest, 5 years back. What is the present? 3 for the 12. This is present of present. 3 for the 12. 8 for the 32. Isn't it? Like that, for the one problem they will ask many of the problems. What are the question is asking? That is the important thing. Understand? We need to analyze over what the question is asking. How we get the answer from the table is the way of getting the answer. Okay, fine. Next one, 17th one. 7 years ago, A and okay, fine. Let's concentrate. 7 years ago means past tense. A and B are written as 7 years ago. 7 years ago means make it as or a mark. This one, 4x and 5x. And 7 year ends it is asking first. This is a very important thing I need to highlight here. Convert it as presented, then can move on to the 7 year ends one. Some of the children directly written as 4x plus 7 and what is the question 5x plus 7 is equal to 5 by 6 like that easily calculate. This is the very important thing. This is the mistaken thing. 4x plus 14. How it is 14? I will tell 4x plus 7 and 5x plus 7. Understand students? Therefore, then 7 years hence means again 7 years we need to add for 7 years 4x plus 14 and 5x plus 14. Understand? The ratio become 5 to 6. Already I told how is the way of thinking. This is the thing. 14 is coming. Therefore 6 for the 24x. 14 6 to 84. The x don't confuse because my handwriting is bad because I am operating from the mouse, not at all a tab one. That's why. 5 5 that 25x. 15 plus 17. Therefore 25 minus 24 is the x only. Therefore x is equal to 14. What is the question asking? The percentage of b is asking. Therefore 14 5 that's 70. 70 plus is 7 is 77. If the question is asking about the a 14 for the 14 for the 56. 56 plus 7 65. Like that we need to answer the question in any of the problem. Now the answer is about the b. 5x with 5 14 5 is 70. 70 plus 7 is 77 is the answer for this question. What is the option? D is the option for this question. Answer for this question. Okay. 17th one. Okay, this completed 17th one. 18th one. At present, Kavita is twice Sarita's age. Okay, fine. This is an important question. At present, Kavita's is 2x and x. I would maintaining as 8 years since. Fine. 8 years since. We need to 8 years since. 2x plus 8 and what about the thing? X plus 8. 8 years since. The ratio should be what is the between the respective the ratio between Kavita's and Sarita's age is 22 is to 13. 22 and 13 is the ratio. This is the direct question. Easily we can calculate cross multiplication. 13 to the 26x. 13 is the 104 is equal to 22x is plus 22 is the 176. Therefore 26 minus 22 is the 4x. 4x and 104 minus 176 is the 72. Therefore 4 on the 4 4 8 the 32. Find remainder is the 3. 18 is the 1. What is the question is asking? Kavita's age they were asking. What is the Kavita's age? present 18 to the 36. If the question is asking for the which one Sarita, then answer should be the 18. Here both options are given 18 and 36. The answer is 36 here for this question. Okay. Next question. The present age of two persons is 36 and 50. Fine. I don't know the person's name. Present age is 50 and 36 respectively. If after n year the ratio should be, I don't know the of how much years is taken. Just I will take on 50 plus n and 36 plus n. Understand? The ratio should be 3 is to 4. Just cross multiplication and getting the answer for this question. Very easy way. Um, okay, first given as 36 here. Make that this one. That's why very important. Observation is very important. If you observe not at all observe properly, then question should be different. The answer should be coming. What is this thing? 36 plus n 36 plus n and 50 plus n. Understand? And okay, then what is the thing? 36 for the 144, 6 for the 24 to carry, and 4 to the 12, that is 144 plus 4n is equal to 150, 15 to 5 to the 15 plus 3n. Therefore, here what would be the thing? 3n 150, okay, n 4 minus 3 is n 4n minus 3n is the n1, then 150 minus 144 is 6. Therefore n is a 6 here. 6 here is taken for the ratio 3 is to 4. Here answer is the 6 1. Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, the difference between the age of Meena and Seema is 3 years. Fine. This is the 1 second calculation. Fine, I will calculate Meena and Seema 7x and 8x, and difference is, what is the difference? 1 unit. Therefore is equal to 3 years. Understand? Therefore sum of the age they were asking, 7 3 the 21 plus 8 3 the 24. Answer is 45 for these questions. Like that, because while using this, therefore 1 is the difference between ages 1 year. Therefore difference year given, there's a difference of 3 years. Therefore total sum of the ages is 3. There was 7 3 the 21, 8 3 the 24, 21 plus 24 is 45 is the answer for this question. Okay, next one. The ages of the men after 15 years is 4 times the ages of the men 15 years before. Fine, this is a very important question. Please see friends. This is a man, is there, right? Um, this is the 15-year back one. This is the present, and 15 years future one. This is the ratio is 4x, and this will be given the ratios as, see, the ages of men after 15 years is 4 times the ages of 15 years before. Understand? 15 years by x, and for 15 years after 4 at the present we need to calculate. See, we can easily solve from two methods. The analysis the problem is very important thing. Observe. If you go back to the present one, what would be the thing is coming? 4x minus 15 is equal to, x is equal to, come to the 15 years future, x plus 15. Understand? Then what would I think? 3x is equal to 30. Therefore x is equal to 10. What is the question? Present age. Understand? This is the one thing, either you can evaluate x value or this one or this one. Answer should be the same. See, 10 plus 15 is 25, and 4x minus 15 is 4, 10 the 40, 40 minus 15 is 25. That is also same. Either we need to analyze the problem carefully, what are the question is asking. If you are uh, if you are if you are logically improvement for this kind of problem, definitely if you're solving more problem, then only it will come in your mind, otherwise it will not at all come in your mind. Please solve more problem like this. Any of the book, this is the one base example what I am given here. And we need to do from this table like that format. If you are making the table like this format, any of the problem we can use this on any of the problem. Okay, fine, the answer is 25 here. Okay, next problem, the 10 years before. Fine. Um, the ages of A and B. Here also question is given as A and B. This is very easy. Every time this A and B only is coming. Fine. 10 years back. 10 years back. 13 is to 17. Then present. Don't forget to put if the present we need to. This is the must and should practice. After once it come into back, come out to 13x plus 10. That will make it as what are the coming ratio that will be coming as x on the put. 17x plus 10. Understand? Then 17 years from now the ratio will be, okay, again 17 years we need to add. After 70, what would be the thing? 17 years future. Therefore 13x plus 27 and 17x plus 27. Isn't it? Okay. Then what is the ratio is given? 10 by 11. While solving, some of the people always used to think directly like that only. 13x plus 17 divided by 17x plus 17 like this is equal to 10 is to 1. They were not at all calculating with present also. From the table only we can get easily, and please prepare the table. Otherwise, this if the problem is we need to do like that, definitely it will be the wrong answer. We need to in our mind we need to calculate like 10 plus 11 17 is 27 like that. Okay, cross multiply. If the cross multiply 13 plus, I already upload a video for the 11 multiple shortcut. Please see the video in the description section. 11 plus 13 is 4 1 3 and 4. Okay, 143 143x plus 297 is equal to 170x plus 270. Therefore x is 27. 170 minus 143 is 27. X is equal to 27. Therefore x is equal to 1. Therefore asking the question is B says present day. Therefore 70 plus 27 is the answer. 17 into 1 is 17 plus 10, that is 27. If I ask the question about the B age, that is 23. Both options are given. The question is while seeing the question, analyze the question very important. What are the question is asking? Here the question is asking about the ages of B. The ages of B is 27. If the ages of A is asking, that is the 23 one. Okay. Next question. The present age of Sunil and Anil are 40 and 60 respectively. Fine. Sunil and Anil. Present age is given 40 and 60. How many years ago the ratios of their age is become 3:5? Fine, this is very important. N means ago means previous. I need to go back here and 14 minus n and 60 minus 10. Here's the top search result. Okay, then 3:5 is the given ratio. Okay, what is the thing now? It is 200, 5 for the 20, 200 minus 20, 5n, 5n is equal to 180, 16 3 the 180 minus 3n. Therefore, 2n, 3, 5n minus 3n is 2n is equal to 120, n is equal to 10. The question is 10 years required for become the ratio of 3:5 for this question. The thing is, the table is a very important thing by solving the problem for the ages. Okay. 24th question. A mother is 25 years older than the daughter. Fine. This is the mother, this is the daughter. That means x plus 25. I don't know the exact age, that's why x plus 25. And daughter make it as x1. Understand? Fine. Then 5 years ago. Okay, fine. 5 years ago means I will make it as 5 years ago. Back once. Therefore, 25 minus 5, that is 20. X plus 20 is equal to x minus 5. Fine. 6 times as the daughter. Okay, fine. They're given the ratio 6 times as the ages of the daughter. Taking the ratios from this time, x plus 20. Oh, sorry. Okay, fine. 6x minus 6 by the 30. Therefore, uh, 5x is equal to 50. X is equal to 10 is coming. The percentage of mother is, what is the percentage of the mother is 35. The question is asking about the child, that should be the 10 one. Here the question is asking for the mother age, that is 35. That means x plus 25, that is 35. That is 35. Question is asking for the daughter, then it will be the 10. Like that, we need to solve the problem from the table. Okay. Next question. Next and last question here. A father said to his son, okay, father and son relationship, fine. I was old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. Okay, past and present. This is the past one. This is the present one. Fine. X, X. The father was he was born on the time. X is we are calculating. Okay. If the age of the father is 40, okay, present they given the father age 48. Now the thing. Okay. If I go into the back, and that means sun is not at all born on, no way at all. Sun is not at all born on this way. Okay, apply this logic, a minus b is equal to this logic. We'll get the answer. X minus 40th, the sun age. What is the age of the sun? We need to x minus 40 is 0 minus x. That means 2x is equal to 48. X is equal to 24. The question is x is equal to 24. Okay, the sun age. The question is asking the sun age of 5 years back. 5 years back means 24 by minus 5, that is 19 years. Okay, the 19 years is the answer for this question. Okay, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. If you saw after once you solve all these kind of problems, please go back to other books and solve all the question. If you have any difficult for facing the problem, please let me know in the comment section as well as Telegram group as well as in the Facebook group. I will give the answer. Which one of topic is very helpful to you, please let me. I will also cover for those topics as well. Thank you for watching this video, and please hit like button as well as subscribe button for upcoming videos, and please hit the bell button as well as the bell for the future video. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.